how to fix Xbox app won't let me sign in. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Xbox won't let me sign in option. So first of all, you need to come here and come to Windows and search for a Microsoft Store from here, and you just have to click on enter, and after that you just have to click on the library from here and search for the Xbox on your app. You just have to scroll down, and as you can see the Xbox right here, you just have to simply update it if it's showing an update option from here. And if this method doesn't work with you, then you just have to click on the Windows and search for run from here, then search for ws reset and click on OK, and it will open the Microsoft Store, and you just have to close this from here, and you just have to search for services on the Windows search bar, and you just have to click on enter, and you just have to look for the Xbox options from here, and you just have to simply click on properties and uh, uh, click on startup type to automatic and apply it and OK, and you just have to repeat the process for all the Xbox tasks showing here. Just have to click on automatic, apply and OK, and for the other one also automatic, apply and OK, and the last one automatic, apply and OK. And you have to just close this and restart your Xbox app from here, and that will help you. And make sure to comment and let me know if that helped you. And that's for this video. See you on the next one.